Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Janitor AI account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, what we want to do is head over to janitorai.com, and from here make sure to sign in. So sign into the account you wish to delete. Once you sign in, click onto user profile in the top right hand corner of the page and then click on the settings tab. Now this is going to take you inside profile settings. From here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and it will say danger zone. So click on danger zone. From there, it's going to say delete profile. So click on delete profile. And from here, it will say, are you sure you want to delete your profile? This action is permanent and cannot be undone. All your chats, characters, and data will be permanently deleted. So if you're happy with that, go ahead and click on the delete button. Now, it will say here, enter the 6-digit code from your email and click delete again to permanently delete your account. So I'm going to go to my emails and then I'm going to go back. Yep, so just go to your emails and put in your 6-digit code here and click delete.